The non-stick coating is perfect for flipping pancakes, turning sausages, and frying eggs. It can be useful for cooking delicate foods that might otherwise stick to the pan. But there's controversy around non-stick coatings, such as Teflon. Some sources claim they're harmful and linked to health conditions such as cancer, while others insist that cooking with non-stick cookware is completely safe. This video takes a detailed look at non-stick cookware, its health effects, and whether or not it is safe to cook with. Non-stick cookware, such as frying pans and saucepans, gets coated with a material called polytetrafluoroethylene, PTFE, commonly known as Teflon. A synthetic chemical made up of carbon and fluorine atoms. It was first created in the 1930s and provides a non-reactive, non-stick, and almost frictionless surface. The non-stick surface makes Teflon-coated cookware convenient to use and easy to clean. It also requires little oil or butter, making it a low-fat way to cook and fry food. Teflon has several other applications. It is also used to make wire and cable coatings, fabric and carpet protectors, and waterproof fabrics for outdoor clothing such as raincoats. However, over the past decade, the safety of non-stick cookware has been under investigation. The concerns have centered on a chemical called perfluorooctanoic acid, PFOA, which was previously used to produce non-stick cookware but isn't used today. The investigations have also looked into the risks associated with overheating Teflon. Today, all Teflon products are PFOA-free. Therefore, the health effects of PFOA exposure are no longer a cause for concern. However, PFOA was used in the production of Teflon until 2013. While most of the PFOA on pots was normally burnt off at high temperatures during the manufacturing process, a small amount remained in the final product. Despite this, research has found that Teflon cookware is not a significant source of PFOA exposure. PFOA has been linked to a number of health conditions, including thyroid disorders, chronic kidney disease, liver disease, and testicular cancer. It has also been linked to infertility and low birth. What's more, it was found in the blood of more than 98% of people who took part in the U.S. 1999 to 2000 National Health and Nutrition Examination Survey, NHANES. The PFOA Stewardship Program, launched in 2006 by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, spurred the elimination of PFOA from Teflon products. This program involved 8 leading PFOA companies, including the maker of Teflon. It aimed to reduce the health and environmental risks associated with PFOA exposure by eliminating PFOA use and emissions by 2015. All companies met the program targets, so all Teflon products, including non-stick cookware, have been PFOA-free since 2013. While PFOA has been removed from Teflon products, there are still other components, namely FUs, per and polyfluoroalkyl substances, that are not fully understood. These and other ingredients in Teflon products may pose a health risk. Research is ongoing to more fully understand the nature of those ingredients and how they impact the human body. Much is still unknown about the safety of the fluoropolymers that are used currently. The U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission just put out a statement on the potential risk of FUs in products, as the EPA just warned about them in drinking water. The FDA has published information on what is known so far on the safety of PFAS, and research is ongoing to more fully understand the nature of those ingredients and how they impact the human body. Generally speaking, Teflon is a safe and stable compound. However, at temperatures above 500 degrees Fahrenheit, 260 degrees Celsius, Teflon coatings on non-stick cookware start to break down, releasing toxic chemicals into the air. Inhaling these fumes may lead to polymer fume fever, also known as the Teflon flu. Polymer fume fever consists of temporary, flu-like symptoms such as chills, fever, headache, and body aches. The onset occurs after 4 to 10 hours of exposure, and the condition usually resolves within 12 to 48 hours. A small number of case studies have also reported more serious side effects of exposure to overheated Teflon, including lung damage. However, in all of the reported cases, individuals were exposed to fumes from overcooked Teflon cookware at extreme temperatures of at least 730 degrees Fahrenheit, 390 degrees Celsius, for extended periods of at least 4 hours. While the health effects of overheated Teflon may be serious, using common sense cooking practices will help you avoid exposure. If you follow basic safety precautions, cooking with nonstick cookware is safe, healthy, and convenient. You can minimize your risk when cooking by following these tips. Don't preheat an empty pan. Empty pans can reach high temperatures within minutes, potentially causing the release of polymer fumes. Make sure you have some food or liquid in pots and pans before you preheat. Avoid cooking on high heat. Cook on medium or low heat and avoid broiling, since this cooking technique requires temperatures above those recommended for non-stick cookware. Ventilate your kitchen. When you're cooking, turn on your exhaust fan or open up windows to help clear any fumes. Use wooden, silicone, or plastic utensils. Metal utensils can lead to scuffs and scratches on the non-stick surface, reducing the life of your cookware. Hand wash. Gently wash pots and pans with a sponge and soapy, warm water. Avoid using steel wool or scouring pads, since they can scratch the surface. Replace old cookware. When Teflon coatings start to visibly deteriorate with excessive scratches, peeling, flaking, and chipping, they are ready to be replaced. Modern non-stick cookware is generally considered safe. The American Cancer Society states that there are no proven risks to humans from new PFOA-free non-stick cookware. However, if you're still concerned about any of the potential health effects, you can try an alternative. Here are some great Teflon-free alternatives. Stainless steel. Stainless steel is excellent for sautéing and browning food. It is durable and scratch resistant. It's also dishwasher safe, making it easy to clean. Cast iron cookware. When it's seasoned properly, cast iron is naturally non-stick. It also lasts a long time and can withstand temperatures well above those considered safe for non-stick pots and pans. Stoneware. Stoneware has been used for thousands of years. It heats evenly and is non-stick when seasoned. It is also scratch resistant and can be heated to very high temperatures. Ceramic cookware. Ceramic cookware is a relatively new product. It has excellent non-stick properties, but the coating can be easily scratched. Silicone cookware. Silicone is a synthetic rubber that is mainly used in bakeware and kitchen utensils. It does not stand up well to direct heat, so it's best suited for baking. Non-stick cookware is found in many kitchens worldwide. The non-stick coating is made from a chemical called PTFE, also known as Teflon, which makes cooking and washing up fast and easy. Health agencies have raised concerns about the compound PFOA, which was previously used to make Teflon. However, Teflon has been PFOA-free since 2013. Today's non-stick and Teflon cookware is considered safe for everyday home cooking, as long as temperatures do not exceed 500 degrees Fahrenheit, 260 degrees Celsius. So, you can use your non-stick cookware on the stovetop at low to medium heat, but don't use it at maximum heat or for hotter cooking methods like broiling. At the end of the day, Teflon cookware is a convenient way to cook your food that is safer for everyday use than it was previously. However, research is ongoing on other substances used in the making of Teflon, and emerging evidence suggests there may still be safety issues.